Care Credit Login. How to fix Care Credit Card not downloading info into Quicken. Downloading your Care Credit Card transactions into Quicken has become increasingly challenging due to recent changes in Care Credit support for direct downloads. Users have reported that Care Credit no longer allows direct connections with Quicken and has removed the option to manually download transactions in a Quicken-compatible format. Alternative methods to import transactions *1. Using a different Synchrony Bank connection *. Some users have found success by connecting through other Synchrony Bank options within Quicken. For instance, selecting Guitar Center or Care Credit during the account setup has allowed them to download transactions for their Synchrony issued cards. To attempt this, in Quicken, go to Tools, Add Account. Search for Guitar Center or Care Credit. Follow the prompts to link your Care Credit account. 2. Manual entry *. With the removal of direct download options, manually entering transactions into Quicken may be necessary. To do this, log into your Care Credit account online. View your recent transactions. In Quicken, select your Care Credit account and manually input each transaction. Stay updated *. Given the evolving nature of financial institution integrations, it's advisable to regularly check the Quicken community forums, https://community.quicken.com, for updates and potential workarounds from other users experiencing similar issues.